Yeah, I'll just listen.
Hindi, yung, ano sir, hindi ko siya edited kasi, nung pag-present nga namin nung, nung sa defense na namin, hindi kami wala kami masyadong time, hindi pa tapos to sa 3D. So,
that's fine.
hindi siya edited.
Yeah. That's nice. Video that.
Yeah.
That's nice. I enjoy watching the walkers. Wow, kuha niyo pati yung
Ito pa yung dating
Ang galing Yeah.
Ito pa yung dating
Yes, the printers. Galing. Oo.
Kaya lang hindi namin makita yung ibang chairs, so
Yeah.
may iba nga doon na original ko. ako nang gumawa.
Yes. Galing.
Hindi umabot yung chandeliers.
Yeah. Kailangan yan. Parang galing pa rin. Did you do it isa-isa or you base it on photos?
Sorry?
Like the decoration ganon?
Decoratives. Photos.
Then,
Dimensions.
yes. Dimension ng photos, siya na na-convert. So cool, even the trees outside.
Hindi po hindi po talaga exact yung trees.
Yeah.
Yung tiles, original ko po yan. Ako po yung gumawa.
Wow.
Kasi wala siya sa sa warehouse.
Yeah, wala na siyang
3D version. So, ginawa ko na lang. Pero may iba hindi ko na kasi hindi na siya kulang sa time talaga.
Yeah, that's it. Galing, yeah. Galing.
Nice.
Yeah,
hindi nga siya yung truko.
Akala
Hindi kasi hindi ako naka-picture ng
yes. Yes, correct. Correct. Okay lang. Not bad actually. Galing.
sabi ng teachers, may swimming pool pala. Hindi ma'am, fish pond.
Fish pond. Galing even the deep area.
Yeah.
Yes. Galing.
Hindi na umabot yung
Yeah.
hindi umabot yung yung gate.
kulang na ng solar.
The solar. Oo. Tama.
Yung solar wala pa. Ang pinakamatagal kong ginawa dito is yung window guards. Yung window grills. Mga ganito. Iniisa-isa ko kasi lahat.
Yes.
Iba-iba. Pare-pareho sila ng design pero iba-iba pala yung hindi yung dimensions. Yung iba pala yung numbers of
metal.
Tsaka may isa na tatlo yung circles, tatlo ata yung nasa.
Yeah.
Basta may iba-iba talaga siya. So as much as possible, as accurate as I can.
Yes. You were here before na retrofit ka. Napansin niya na retrofit na ba? This post.
Sir?
This post. That's not the original post when you came here.
Yes.
That's a new post. Those two, pati yung kabila.
Yung ay, teka.
The entire post. Look at the post. It's very small.
Yes.
Compared to
These two.
Yeah.
Yung dalawa. Dito.
Nalagay na.
Nalagay na.
Yeah, kasi see that metal there, nagbenta. The house was already falling. So we had to change the two posts.
Water tank to sir, di ba?
Ha?
Ito water tank.
Yeah, pero there's a post there, a foundation post. Itong dalawa, it started to explode na. Tapos wala na yung bakal sa loob. Nagkaroon na. And the house was already, I got worried when it was bending the metal. So we had to change the posts.
And then, yun po yung mga
Ah, there.
plants.
Yes. Wow, yeah. First floor, second, first floor,
Ground
first
floor.
Yeah, ground floor.
Ito po yung post, yung columns na sinabi mo dito. Ito, tsaka doon
Yes.
sa ano. Tapos
yes.
may water tank na may toilet. Saka dito.
Okay.
Ito, dito.
Yeah.
Before yung old plants, wala yun.
Wala yan.
Mm.
Oh, wala to.
Oh, okay.
Eh, di ba, ito lang.
Yeah.
Tapos merong door pa labas.
Oo, pala pa.
Doon sa, doon sa plan.
Washing
Okay,
Before.
okay, before, yeah.
Saka itong kitchen, hindi pa to ganito.
Yes.
May ano pa dito. Wala pa to.
Ano pa yung extension sa old
Yes, yes. Wow.
The second
Second
floor.
floor, yes. Is
Dito
that
ka-
the, huh?
Sir?
Is that the new table na?
I think it is.
Yeah, the bigger one.
Yung reference ang dito sa taas. Tsaka itong bedroom, sir, hindi po kasi kami nataas.
Oh, so nag-refer kami dun sa
Ah, oh, you can go in now. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're fixing the cabinet kasi may molds. So we're fixing it, we're filling the molds.
Yung bedrooms, ready namin.
Ganda yan.
Yung mga placements.
Yung, di ba, yung una, yung 2017 research, yung pa to, doon sa second floor,
My room.
doon sa may stairs,